Okay, cool.
They're used to them. Let's see the cockatiels. Where are they at? There they are.
It's okay to be like
like that.
There's a cockatiel. Beautiful too. What are you doing? Where are you going?
Okay. You might want to move right. He is seated, but it's so warm. Where's my seed stick girl?
Right here.
Here's seed stick girl. This is a green-cheeked conure.
Isn't that the one that's green?
This is Greenie. Greenie likes to steal worms, and he's not really supposed to because he lives in Hammett.
But he can have one.
Yeah, she's a worm eater, that one.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
Trying to find something to eat down in there?
Hi!
Emily, take a picture.
You don't want to show your seed?
Take a picture of him.
Eat your seed? There we go.
A pearly pie. Pearly cinnamon pie. That's a cinnamon pearly pie. That was Sister Bush's favorite bird right there. Aren't you a pretty bird? Look at you. Hey, what you doing, fella? What are you doing? You see something in there?
You might want to watch the stuff in your pocket. You want to watch the stuff in your pocket because there's so stuff.
Reach in your pocket to take something out? Who is this on me? It's a bird on me. Who is it? What are you doing? You're a pretty bird, ain't you? Yeah. Look at the cockatiel. Look at this bird. Both of them walking on me. What are you doing? The cockatiels. Ain't nothing in there. That's a cinnamon pearly pie. Come here, son.
Oh, watch out for those two on you. They don't like each other. They will fight.
He wants one pocket, he wants the other pocket.
Okay, as long as you don't see each other.
Oh, look at that beautiful bird. He's a cinnamon. What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Aren't you a pretty bird? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. You're a little boy, ain't you? Yeah, you're a male. What are you doing? There's another one on me. What are you doing? Yeah. You're a precious bird, ain't you? Here, son, videotape me. It's already recorded. What are you doing on me? Go on. See, the cockatiel's on me. What are you doing down there? Come here. What are you doing? Look at the pretty cockatiel. I like the cockatiels. Yeah. The pretty cockatiels. That's a male too. Both of them are male. What are y'all doing? What? You like to get scratched? You like to get scratched? Huh? What are you doing? Here, go fly. Go fly on Timmy. What are you doing?
Who's pretty bird?
Yeah. You're a precious little bird, ain't you? Yes, you are. What are you doing, huh? Whoa. Do you like to be scratched, huh?
Maybe not. Does that one like to get scratched?
I don't know. Do they scratch you? No, they don't scratch you.
How about that one?
What are you doing, precious? It's the bird, the bird. He's a pretty bird. He's an adult bird, fully grown. Yeah, he is.
Hey, let me see if he can get on. Maybe not.
This bird here just steady getting on me. Here. Let me videotape now.
Well,
Some more of these cockatiels would come out. What is that big old bird?
You can put her gently on the back of the head.
That's a worm eater.
Oh, not on you again. Not you again. This bird keeps jumping on me. Likes to get in your pocket. What do you find in my pockets?
hey, Dad, check out what's in my.
What? Is that parrot behind you? Let me see. Turn around.
Don't run, okay?
Ha 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 ha. Turn around. Come on back.
Oh, you want me to get
Come
off?
here.
No, that's okay.
No, she's kind of mischievous. Look at mine. What a cute one.
Yeah, you stay out of that pocket.
Hey, what you trying to do?
You want this?
He wants to steal.